Hi there, Karen Stanko with Remax, coming to you in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada today. With this video, can you still buy a cash flowing investment in Edmonton and surrounding area? And if so, where should you put your money and how does that look like? So a lot of people are still thinking of investing into the Edmonton and surrounding area, and they're bringing a lot of money from out of province. So what are people looking for in cash flowing properties? Number one, they try and avoid condominium fees. Now, the reason why condominium fees have went up, that's a long story short. A lot of it has to do with insurance claims and insurance, however, and rising heating costs and different things like that. So that kind of eats out a lot of it. So when people call me about cash flowing investments, I always try and direct them into single family homes with suites in them. The problem of it is we're here in the beginning of March 2025, and we've got tremendous low inventory. So homes with suites in it go into almost multiple offers immediately. And so that is one of the main reasons why cash flowing properties are challenging to find right now. Now, we are still in March 2025. There is still CMHC Select program going on where a lot of people have bought land and have built minimum of 5 to 6 plexes in there, and investors are looking at that for cash flowing. Now, the main issue with those ones is their average sale price is almost at 1.2 million. However, there is the odd side-by-side duplex, 4 plexes, different things like that that you can buy in Edmonton and surrounding area for more of an affordable price at half that, around $750,000. Still a lot to chew on and quite expensive. If you are just a first-time home investor and looking in the investing, we've got high rentals right now. That may change as things go along. However, townhouses are still very good and affordable. What's great about townhouses is you can get your tenants to pay for the condominium fees, and they still pay for their own heat and water essentially. So you can rent out these townhomes for about $2,200 up to $2,400, and those are cash flowing. Looking at a smaller investment, maybe about under $200,000, yeah, apartment condos are still the way to go. Now, I always would push, resale is not great on them, but a 1-bedroom condo. 1-bedroom condos, you usually rent out to single people or couples, and it works out great in the end. Less problems, less hassle, and more rent and lower purchase price. So are there investment properties still up for grabs here in March 2025? I would say yes. A lot more is going to come on the market here. We are just starting in the spring market. If you are looking to invest, you really need to have your ducks in a row. You need to have your financing together hard. So if there is a property that comes in, you need to be that investor savvy person and be ready to throw down. Now, a lot of people don't like when they come into the Edmonton area, they're nervous about older homes. We have a lot of post-war bungalows and older homes. If that's not your style, it's a little bit too risky, then you're gonna have to kind of buck up a little bit more money-wise and maybe buy a brand new home with a suite in it. And then you'll be in a more safer, nicer area, like suburban area, but you will be paying a little bit more, but you will be able to garnish a bigger rent as of right now. Things will change and things are gonna be very fluid in 2025. Thinking about moving into the Edmonton surrounding area and doing these cash flow properties, you're going to want to click on my link below or reach out to me. I'd love to be a realtor of choice. I've been selling in the Edmonton area for 18 years. I've seen the ups and the downs, and I've helped people invest money throughout, and I'd love to be a realtor of choice. Thanks for joining me, and check me on the other one.